Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a charging test in the Realme X2 Pro device, friends, after updating to the Realme UI. So let me show you the version what it is currently. So as you can see, friends, the Realme UI 1.0 here. So recently updated to the Realme UI, friends, in the Realme X2 Pro device, and let's check whether the charging speed got actually affected with the update or not. So before starting the video, let me show you the battery percentage, friend, 3% right now. So let me try to completely drain the battery in the Realme X2 Pro device, and let's start from the 0 to 100%, friends. And I got the stopwatch ready as well here. So if you want to know what wallpaper I'm using currently, you can check the links in description, friends. Again, if you want to know how I did the notification panel in the bottom, you can also check the links in description. So you can find the video which I have did on this one especially. And even I did a video, friends, before on the Realme X2 Pro device charging test from 0 to 100%, which took about 30 minutes to completely charge from 0 to 100%, friends, in the previous stage which I did here. So you can see clearly. So these are the overall results, guys. So let me try to decrease the volume. So it took about 30 minutes to completely charge the Realme X2 Pro device, friends, in my previous test. And right now let me try right now how much fast the Realme X2 Pro can actually charge the device. So I'm just waiting for the battery percentage to decrease to 2%, friends. So you can see the animations as well, the charging animation in the Realme X2 Pro device. So right now you can see, friends, it's 2%, and let me connect the charger and start the stopwatch, friends. And let me disable the Wi-Fi as well, and let me show you the screen how it is. So you can see, friends, lock screen, the new animation which you can find in the Realme X2 Pro device after updating to the Realme UI. So it's charging with the super charging speed, friends, as you can see clearly, so which is pretty good. So again I'll be back, friends, after once it get fully charged. So again I'll be back a little bit closer to the 99%, and let's check how much time it actually takes right now to charge from 2% to 100%. Here, friend, it's close to 100%, friends, right now, as you can see 99.88, and you can see the time as well, 28 minutes, friends. It took from 2% to charge to 100%. So finally the battery got fully charged, friends, to 100% from 2%. So overall, friends, the charging speed did not get affected, friends, with the Realme UI update. So in the Realme X2 Pro device, even after using for so many months, and even with the Realme UI update, so there is no slowdown in the charging speed rate, friends. So thank you, friends, for watching this video, and for more videos, subscribe to my channel, friends. That's it for this video, friends. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.